Hey, glad you can make it. Let's get started. We're doing the D minor chord today, so we're going to learn the alternating bass notes. So here's our D minor chord on the right hand. We did this a few lessons back, and we keep this left hand in the C position. So we're going to hit that bass note, which is going to be a D, the root of the chord, and then the fifth of the scale is going to be an A. So we have to move that thumb over to do that. So if we play that in 4/4 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So again, that minor chord just has a really haunting sound. So let's practice going to the C chord. So the right hand just shifts right back to the C home position to play that C chord, and you hit the C bass note in the fifth. Back to the D minor, everything moves. There's no inversion with this A minor that's helpful in the C position. And then we're going to hit an A minor chord. Okay, so we're going to do 3 chords here. We're going to do the D minor, and the pattern is just going to be all quarter notes on the right and half notes on the left. Let's do 2 measures of each chord. So D minor, C, D minor, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. A minor. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D minor. I'm trying to hit that sustain pedal so that it just really makes those chords ring out. That just really sounds really cool with those minor chords especially. Okay. Now we're going to kind of cheat a little bit and do the same song we did a lesson or 2 back. We'll do Drunken Sailor now in the key of D minor. So those were the chords. D minor to C, 2 measures of each, but the last time it's almost the same, except the A minor only gets 1 measure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. What shall we do with the drunken sailor? See, what shall we do with the drunken sailor? D minor. What shall we do with the drunken sailor early in the D minor morning? Okay. If we drop that an octave, can we do that? I think we can. It'd be... Sorry you can't see it, but I'm just dropping it. Okay, the other thing I have to talk about, I don't know, that D minor doesn't really have a good inversion in that C position. You know, it's kind of like if you go to D and the C, there really isn't a good inversion that'll help you out. So you move all those 3 fingers 1 white key to the right to get to that D minor. And then when you move back to the A minor, you have to kind of think, oh, I could just drop that. And then when you go back to C, though, you have to switch fingers if you went back to that. So it's best to try and keep those same ones. However, there's one, if we did D minor to F, to me, there's only 1 note difference. You go from the D to the C. So why would you want to... It'd be easier just to go D note to the C, and there's your F chord. It wouldn't make sense to go from there and then switch fingers, switching those fingers. So these 2 fingers are the same in each of those 2 chords. So those are things you kind of have to figure out as you go along. So, all right, so that's the end of the lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Practice that D minor chord, and we'll try and find a song with all these chords in it. Now that'll be our summary. See you in the next video.